Good morning, everyone. My name is Diana Grace Bukag.
And I'm Mary Kate Ramirez.
And I'm Princess Nasi Cubello.
And we are the Group 6. We are assigned to discuss the mathematics in the Renaissance period.
Renaissance period is a period from the 14th to 17th century considered the bridge between the Middle Age and modern history. The word Renaissance is a French word which means rebirth. The Renaissance period was the succeeding epoch of the Middle Ages, which was the gap defining the classical and modern period. Black Death was characterized during the medieval period. During the 14th century, the philosophy of humanism began to emerge in Italy. Humanism emphasized that man is the center of the universe and that all human achievements in art, literature, and science should be regarded. Instead of relying on the will of God, people began to act according to capabilities.
It is a tribute to the respect in which mathematics was held in Renaissance Europe that the famed German artist Albrecht Dürer included an order for magic square in his engraving Melancholia I. In fact, it is a so-called super magic square with many more lines of addition symmetry than a regular 4 times 4 magic square. The year of work 1514 is shown in the two bottom central squares. Luca Pacioli. He published a book on arithmetic, geometry, and bookkeeping which become quite popular for the mathematical puzzles it contained. He also introduced symbols for plus and minus for the first time in a printed book, symbols that were become standard notation.
Scipione del Ferro is the first person who solved the cubic equation by radical. He is the one who solved one of the two cases, the fact that zero and negative numbers are not in use.
Niccolo Fontana Tartaglia. He was born in Brisca on 1500. He died in Venice on 1557. He revealed to the world the formula for solving first one type and later all types of cubic equation with terms including x3. He wrote Nova Scientia in 1537, Trattato di Numeri Misuri in 3 volumes in 1556 to 1560, Treatise on Numbers and Measures, an encyclopedic treatment of elementary mathematics. He was the first Italian translator and publisher of Euclid's Elements in 1543.
Girolamo, also spelled Girolamo, English, Jerome Cardan. Born on September the 24th, 1501, in Pavia, Duchy of Milan, in Italy. Died on September the 21st, 1576, in Rome. He is an Italian physician, a mathematician, and astrologer who gave the first clinical description of typhus fever and whose book Ars Mania, The Great Art or the Rules of Algebra. It is one of the cornerstones in the history of algebra. Educated at the universities of Pavia and Padua, Cardano received his medical degree in 1526. In 1534, he moved to Milan, where he lived in great poverty until he became a lecturer in mathematics. Admitted to the College of Physicians in 1539, he soon became rector. His fame as physician grew rapidly, and many of Europe's proud heads solicited his services. However, he valued his independence too much. to become a court physician. In 1543, he accepted a professorship in medicine in Pavia. In 1539, he published 2 books on arithmetic embodying his popular lectures, the more important being Practica Arithmetica et Miserandi Singularis, which means practice of mathematics and individual measurements. His Ars Magna in 1545 contained the solution of the cubic equation, for which he was indebted to the Venetian mathematician Niccolò Tartaglia, and also the solution of quartic equation found by Cardano's former servant Lodovico Ferrari. His Liber de Ludo Aliae, the book on games of chance, presents the first systematic computations of probabilities a century before Blaise Pascal and Pierre de Fermat.
Lodovico Ferrari, also spelled Lodovico Ferraro, born in February 2, 1522 in Bologna, Papal States, now Italy. Died on October 5, 1565 in Bologna. He is an Italian mathematician who was the first to find an algebraic expression to the bioquadratic or quartic equation, an algebraic equation that contains the fourth power of the unknown quantity but no higher power. By attending Cardano's lectures, he learned Latin, Greek, and mathematics. In 1540, he succeeded Cardano as public mathematics lecturer in Milan, at which time he found the solution of the quartic equation, later published in Cardano's Ars Magna 1545 Great Art. The publication of Ars Magna brought Ferrari into a celebrated controversy with the noted Italian mathematician Niccolò Tartaglia over the solution of the cubic equation. After 6 printed challenges and counter-challenges, Ferrari and Tartaglia meet in Milan on August 10, 1548 for a public mathematical contest of which Ferrari was declared the winner. He then accepted a professorship in mathematics at the University of Bologna, where he died shortly thereafter.
Thank you for watching our explainer video entitled Mathematics in Renaissance Period.